I know this guy who knows this guy who knows another guy who owns a boat. Today, we're going on a yacht party in Phuket.
Number 2 here.
So we're on the yacht today, hype techno party. It's about 80 people, about 6 tables. It's going to be a good time.
Is it just you?
Just do a quick tour, up at the top part of the boat. Check it out. That's the dream. 2 more years. With my German mate Chris.
Hey Ryan,
What's up,
good party.
Just to give you a bearing of where we are, there's the giant Buddha up there. So we're somewhere in the south of Phuket.
Beautiful place forever in the world, Phuket.
True story. The Buddha's still chilling.
And now we go drink. Ryan must drink now.
Alright, it's about 5 p.m. The sun's just starting to set, but the party's just kicking off. Loving it. Got the full moon at this end of the boat, and you got the sunset at the other end. Perfect, tranquil. Alright, that was Phuket boat party. Good mix of people, young and old, Thai and foreign. If you're ever here, I strongly recommend it. Good times.